For them, it's a really new opportunity and sort of mind-opening to see what is actually possible and what's available. I mean, we have students that have never been to a large user facility before. So seeing it for the first time is, this is an amazing thing for them. A significant fraction of the summer school students will continue to come back as neutron or X-ray users for their entire career, so that they really got their hands on and run the experiment remotely, log onto the instrument, and also have all this sort of more direct interaction with the instrument scientists. I mean, once you've spent 4 hours in a small group with an instrument scientist, you know them. So you can sort of reach out to them when you want to write a future proposal, if you have a question about an experiment. So these sort of interactions are really critical for the students to sort of get more involved with the techniques.
My research mainly revolves around frustrated magnetism. And I basically shoot neutrons at Quantum Materials for a living. But before this school, I'll just say that neutron scattering was still like a black box to me. I didn't really know or appreciate what was going on, but now it's become a more exciting and clear picture. And I've been really inspired about how these techniques are so powerful and so elegant. I'm definitely looking forward to becoming more involved in the neutron scattering community, either at a university or in a national lab. Actually, in a national lab, I think would be pretty cool because you get to be involved in so many experiments and learn all the science that goes involved with each experiment.
I use X-rays a lot for like crystallographic structure. So just being able to see, what kind of cubic structure do I have or non-cubic structure. And I use it a little bit for elemental composition. But now after going to the school, I could see there's so much more you can do with it. I mean, you can get all sorts of really interesting like microstructure details and macrostructure details, and then the complementarity of the neutrons is insane. I always had this image in my head that like to get access to these beam lines, you need to be at an R1 Princeton, Harvard institution, you'd be doing the absolute newest thing. But now I see that if you just have a good idea and you can write a good proposal, you can get access to these beams as long as publish the research. And I thought that was awesome.